Hello, this is Daniel Davis with JesuitNET, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to join Skype, how to download and install Skype, and finally how to use its video function. So I want to start out by going to www.skype.com. Once we're at the main Skype page, we'll want to join Skype. And we'll want to create an account. I'm using a fake name because I have already signed up with my own name. You want to put in your email address. Put that in twice. And finally, choose a Skype name. I'm going to choose John.Fellow6 because it's suggested. I know it's already there, but you can choose any Skype name that's not already being used. And put in a password of your own choosing. Put in the words above so that Skype knows that you're not a computer program and they're an actual person. If you want to receive email, leave this clicked. If not, unclick it and press I agree. It'll automatically take you to the download page. Depending on your setup, you might have to approve the download. Go ahead and save the file to your computer. Once it's finally downloaded, you want to double click on the setup. Choose English or a host of other languages. I agree. And we'll just wait to install. Wait for it to install. Now the great thing about Skype is as long as somebody else has Skype and is logged in at Skype, you can use it for free video or even phone calls to that person at any time. You can even download it on your mobile phone, and as long as the other person is on Skype, you can make a free call to them over your mobile phone without using any minutes. Okay, once you've downloaded and set up Skype, this pop-up box should come up onto your computer screen. If for any reason it does not, you'll want to go down here to the Windows Start button, click on that, and in the Search Programs box, go ahead and press in this Skype. Choose it from the list that comes up. We don't need to do that because the window is already up. You go ahead and type in your Skype name. And your password. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave these checked. It's up to you whether you want to or not. If you leave them checked, it'll sign you in automatically or start Skype when your computer starts. I'll go ahead and sign in. It will take a few moments. Okay, the first thing that we want to do is check our microphone settings and our audio settings, so as well as our webcam settings. So we'll want to go up here to Tools and down to Options, and we'll want to go to Audio Settings first. And if you notice while I'm speaking, this green line is going up and down with the modulation of my voice, so that means it's working. There'll be a list of microphones that you have set up on your computer up here. As long as your microphone is internal in your computer or plugged in, it will automatically recognize it. If you don't see this, more than likely your microphone is not plugged in. Speakers as well, you'll have a few to choose from, but it should automatically recognize the speaker that you have. We'll also want to go down to video settings. It will automatically recognize your webcam. Hi, here I am. It'll have a list of different webcams that you have connected to your computer. If it's not here or you do not see a picture of yourself, more than likely your webcam is not plugged in or you have not installed the software for it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and press save. Now the first thing that I want to do is add new contacts, especially the one that I'm going to be using for our video call. So I'm going to press new, and in the drop down box, drop down list, I'm going to press new contact. Okay, I'm going to search for the name. You can put in both the first and last name. If it's a very common name, you could end up with thousands. In this case, I've already spoken to the person and I know their username, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in. And they come up automatically. I'm going to press add contact. And I'll press hi Daniel. Will you accept my invitation? Press send. And it automatically goes to that user. Now you can't begin speaking with them until they've accepted you as a friend. So we'll have to wait until they've accepted us, and then we can begin calling. Okay, once they have accepted your invitation, you'll see them show up in your contact list, and as long as they're online, this check mark will show as green. Now, when they receive the invitation to add you as a contact, there would have been a notification bar right here, just as there is a call phones bar or a directory bar. They would have clicked on that notification bar and then clicked the button that said add you as a contact. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my contact. You might have several contacts after a while, but you'll click on the contact and then you'll place a video call. Now sometimes you might want to just call them, but I suggest you use video call, because that's the wonder of Skype. You can see their facial expressions as well as their voice. So I'm going to go ahead and call my twin brother, and let's see if he answers. And there he is. Actually, it's me. So you can see yourself down here in this window right here, and you can see the other person in the larger window. Hi. And you can go ahead and start talking, and that's basically how you use Skype. This is Daniel Davis for JesuitNET. Thanks.